Welcome back to another Ginge Adventure, everybody. Today we are out in Dayton, Virginia, or close to Dayton, Virginia, in the George Washington and Jefferson National Forest, and we're doing the Hone Quarry Waterfall Trail today. It's going to be about 5.3 miles, depending on how much kind of exploring you do, and less than 540 feet of elevation gain. It's a pretty easy one to do. Most of it is going to be like a service road, and then there's a spot you'll go right straight into the woods. It's pretty secluded out here, pretty quiet. It's been a misty, cloudy, kind of drizzly, cool morning all day. It has been really nice. Let's get started. So this trail is very much solitude so far. There's nobody. When we started off on the access road, we got about halfway through and there was a Jeep kind of parked to the side. There are other trails to do in the general vicinity, but we haven't seen a single soul the entire hike. It's nice and quiet except for the sound of the creek over there to the left. Yeah, if you're looking for a hike that's going to give you some peace and quiet and some solitude, this is definitely one to try out. Here we are, guys, at the end of the Hone Quarry Waterfall Trail. This isn't exactly the wet season, but we've got really nice flow on this thing considering. We did have a lot of rain recently, so that's helping. In order to get down here to the bottom of the falls where I am, there is a little trail right there that you have to kind of scramble down from all the way up there, which on a day like today when it's been a little wet can be a little sketchy, but it's not bad. Just take your time and you can get down here. If you're ever in the area and get a chance to check out the Hone Quarry Waterfall Trail, make sure you do, because it's a great one. I want to thank you for joining me on this Ginger Venture, and I'll see you on the next one.